In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Yahoo email account. First, you need to sign into Yahoo Mail. This step is crucial because it grants you access to your email and account settings. On your screen, you will see the Yahoo Mail sign-in page. Enter your Yahoo email address and your password. Once you click on the Sign In button, you will be directed to your inbox. This is important because only when you are logged in can you manage your accounts effectively. You will see familiar elements like your inbox, folders, and a search bar. Don't worry if this is your first time. It's a straightforward process that gets you right into your emails. Now that you are signed in, the next step is to click your profile icon. This icon is usually located in the top right corner of your screen. It often looks like a small circle with your profile picture or initials. By clicking on this icon, you open a menu where you can manage your account settings. This is a vital step because it allows you to access various options related to your account, including adding new accounts. Once you click the profile icon, you'll see options related to your profile, and you know you are headed in the right direction. From there, select Add Another Account. This option is essential if you want to switch between different Yahoo accounts without signing out. When you click on this option, a new window will pop up, prompting you to enter the details of your other Yahoo account. This feature is incredibly useful for users who manage multiple accounts. It saves time and keeps everything organized in one place. After you click on Add Another Account, you will notice the screen change to a login prompt for your other account. Next up, sign in to your other Yahoo account. Here you will enter the email address and password for the account you want to access. This action is key because it allows you to manage multiple accounts seamlessly. After entering your credentials, click the Sign In button. You will be taken to the inbox of your second account. This makes it easy to switch between accounts without the hassle of logging out and back in. Once you are logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the inbox. After that, click your profile icon anytime. This is a straightforward action, but it's significant because it provides you with the ability to switch back and forth between your accounts effortlessly. Each time you click the profile icon, you will see a list of the accounts you are currently logged into. This feature enhances your user experience by making account management simple and efficient. You should feel confident now that you can navigate quickly between accounts without any complications. Finally, select the account you want to use. When you click on the account name from the list, you will be directed to that particular inbox. This step is important because it allows you to access the emails and settings of the selected account. You will see your emails populate the screen and everything will feel familiar. This smooth transition ensures that you can manage your Yahoo accounts without stress or confusion. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to switch between Yahoo accounts. Remember, while you cannot change your existing Yahoo email address, creating a new account is an option if needed. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you manage your Yahoo email accounts effortlessly.